All right, guys, this is a trade recap for October 16, 2024. As you can see from the title there, I decided to trade the NQ today. Just taking a break from the ES. I just wasn't feeling the ES at all this week and last week. So I decided to go back to what I know, which is trading the NQ. So on this NQ account that I'm trading, it's my funded futures live account. Um, yeah, so let's begin the trade. I had two trades basically, both short. All right, this is the very beginning of the open on the New York stuffs, New York open, 6:30 in the morning Pacific time. As you can see, the trend is lower low, lower high. I'm looking for shorts here. If you take a look at on the uh, on the 30-minute chart, which is this chart right here, I see a zone right here, a supply zone. I also see a supply zone on the 50-minute, um, and then also on a 5-minute and a 1-minute. So my intention was to go short. If you know NQ likes to go ahead and test wicks, right? So right here, there's the high of this pivot. So it's going to go ahead and NQ likes to go ahead and test the stops up here. And then if it can't find any, it's going to go ahead and reverses. So that's my thinking is I want to see what NQ does to test this wick here. Plus, it's also in a supply zone on the 15 to 30 right there. It tested the wick. It got rejected right away. There's my first there's my first entry right here. My target would have been just uh, gap fill. Okay, so it looks like there's buyers still stepping in here. Okay, so you see that there's buyers stepping in here, right? The POC below the bar on every single chart here. So they're trying to push it up. So I decided to move my stop up a little bit, maybe above this 50-minute supply zone. I could also push it up here as well to the 30-minute. And my target is still at the open. Okay, so I see a rejection. It came up. I didn't see a lot of pressure going up here. I decided to take another position. So now I have two contracts short, targeting the gap, right? The close of yesterday's RTH session. There you go. Went and filled that up. So that was the first trade. Uh, hindsight, I should have maybe just go ahead and trail the stop there and maybe get a bigger target. But I didn't do that. Okay, so here's the second trade. As you can see, it went down pretty hard here. So on the 1 minute, as you can see, it's testing the VWAP here, right? I have also a supply zone right here as well. Um, now, what I'm looking for is basically when when the net delta on the 1 minute is above the bar, POC above the bar, the close is below both of them, right? And I'd like to see the confirmation on the 5 minute as well. As you can see on the 5 minute, the net delta is above the bar here, POC above the bar. The current close right now is below the POC here. So you'll see a candle right here. So this is the magenta colored short candle, which means there's more offer in play than there are bids, right? So there's sellers. So these are known as seller bars, right? Where a lot of aggressive sellers are are in control here. So I decided to take another short here. Target would be just right here at this pivot level, because I do see a supply zone down here as well. So it could come back, test that pivot on the 1 minute, test the zone on the 5 minute. It could bounce all the way back up as well. So I just decided to go ahead and just take a short target this time. Now my stop is always usually at the top of the bar where the um, seller bars, do show up, like this magenta bar here. And there you go. Basically 12 minutes of work for $600. And this is why I like the NQ. It just moves so fast, so quick. You can make a lot of money and you can also lose a lot of money. So yeah, it's kind of stalling here, but eventually it will break. All right. So again, I was trading the My Fund and Future account here, and as you can see here, 620. So this August calendar was trading the NQ on this account here. It's been very profitable so far. So that was my day for today, October 16, 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.